Hello, welcome to our 2018 Sea Ray L550 Sundancer. I'm Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Starting on the large swim platform, you're going to notice the nice teak finish all throughout, follows up through the steps into the cockpit. This swim platform does drop down into the water, easy to pull your dinghy on and off. The adjustable chocks just slide right in, really makes accommodating whatever dinghy you choose very, very simple. Nice steps that deploy when it goes down, so if you're using it more as a teak beach, easy to get in and out of the water. As you work your way towards the storage area, you're going to notice here absolutely cavernous, lots of room for everything that you're going to need back here, whether it's cleaning supplies, water hookup, extra power cords, you name it, fits inside of there, fenders, lines, really tons of storage on here. Nice wide entry into the cockpit. You're going to notice your control box back here for the Glendinning. So move into the cockpit. First thing you're going to notice, nice L-shaped seating. Table here lifts up and down, making access easier to get to and from. There is a retractable sure shade that comes out of here as well. So if it's a little too hot, a little too sunny, slide it back, keep all your guests comfortable. All about entertainment on the L550. Nice entertainment space outside here. Fridge drawer. Grill top cooking space. If you put the countertop on it, nice place to display a good spread of food. As you notice here, you can access the bow on either the port or starboard side. Added bonus on this model, starboard side, there is the docking station. So if you're pulling into a slip that's a little bit tight, very, very easy, nice maneuverability, good communications with your crew. You'll notice we have the door slid all the way open. Really opens up this inside-outside space. One of my favorite features about this L550. We keep sliding forward here into the main salon. You're going to notice the wine bar. Can't have enough refrigerator space on a boat. This is that added bonus. Electrical panel right as you step inside. First thing you do, you step in, turn on your lights. Very, very easy access. So walking into the main salon, first thing you're going to notice is the amount of storage. You actually enter right into the galley. So whether you're entertaining in the cockpit or the salon seating area, you really have that galley in the middle, kind of like an open home concept. Refrigerator drawers, also freezers. You got 4 of them in total. Nice storage throughout. Kenyan cooktop, glass surface, big sink, lots of storage. I think I mentioned it before, but it's worth noting. Wine fridge on this side, storage all throughout with a pop-up television. The television goes up and down, but also swivels. So no matter where you're sitting on the boat, easy to view it. So as you work your way up from the galley to the main salon, you're going to see the nice 2 bar stools that really incorporate that entertainment function of the galley up into the full entertainment of the salon. You'll see it's a couple of steps up, so it's raised. You have great light on either side, including overhead. Large sunroof that retracts fully, a couple of window panes in it, really gives you that nice indoor-outdoor feeling, whether you're sitting at the dock or running at full clip. The sofa on this side does slide out, turns into a nice berth area. Could put a double up here if you needed the extra room, although with the amount of space you have down below, you'd really have to have a full boat to utilize that. Opposite seating here really gives you that nice entertainment, feel like I'm at home taking care of your guests. The ottomans, of course, slide all throughout. So we keep moving forward to the helm. You can see the nice stid chairs here. There is the 2 of them, both adjustable in height, flip down, footrest, armrest, really everything you need for that captain and co-captain to be comfortable at the helm. Full array marine electronics. These are the touch screens that integrate all throughout, whether it's engine management information, GPS, radar, it all runs through there. We also have an autopilot on here and just some extra data information. This is CAT's screen, so you need to know more about the motors, how are they running, what is the efficiency, what's the exhaust temperature, all that is in there. Nice thing about this system, we do have the joystick docking. So whether you just want to run the bow thrusters from here or incorporate the thruster, stern thruster, and motors, it can all go right through there. Very, very simple, easy to use. Let's work our way down to the staterooms. Full beam master stateroom, really equipped in the best style that Sea Ray does. Light from either side, opening port lights, queen size island bed, so it's very, very easy to walk all the way around it. couple of storage drawers inside of there. Storage drawers off to the other side here. Television, Bose soundbar. Really feels like a place that you would expect on a 55-foot L-class boat. A couple steps up in the master stateroom area is the master head. Full separate shower stall, lots of room in there to actually utilize it as it's meant to be. Vacuum flush head, vessel sink. Again, really nice space, lots of room, what you'd expect in a 55-foot boat master stateroom. VIP stateroom, again, nice full queen size bed, easy to access from other side. You have outlets on either side, charge your phone at night, set your Kindle down, whatever it is you're doing in here. Overhead skylight, side opening lights, port lights, nice television, hanging locker on both sides. Really a great place for your VIP guest to enjoy their weekend. VIP head, again, separate shower stall, vacuum flush toilet, nice vessel sink. Lots of room in there for your guests. So in the well-lit atrium that separates all the staterooms, we do have the third stateroom over here. Single bunks that can fit together to make a queen. Still has a hanging locker, television, nice light throughout. Very good place to be. Another thing you're going to find is there's access to the day head here, which is really nice to keep some separation between your day guests and the accommodations for overnight. The bow seating on this 55-footer is absolutely fantastic. Lots of room for everybody to stretch out, relax, get comfortable, enjoy their afternoon. Whether you're catching your morning coffee or evening wine with a sunset, you got a stereo control, some 12-volt chargers, lots of cup holders, and really just space to enjoy. One of my personal favorites about this L55. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough on the 2018 Sea Ray L550 Sundancer. This one is a slightly used boat right here in the Chesapeake. If you want to take a look, give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to show this one off for you.